اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم ما کان لی من علم بالملأ الاعلی اذ یختصمون ان یوحی الی الا انما انا نذیر مبین. The translation of these two verses is, I had no knowledge of the exalted assembly when they discussed the matter among themselves, but this, that it has been revealed to me that I am a plain warner.
I have explained this verse during my Quran Tarjama class at quite some length. Here, in answer to this question, particularly I should like to refer to the angels' debate on what would happen on earth if Adam was born. So, the Holy Quran also refers to that takhasum. During that discrete debate, which took place between angels on the one hand and God on the other, that was a takhasum like a takhasum for Abraham with God. For the sake of people or for the sake of any good cause, the word takhasum is also applied in good sense. Here, the word takhasum is applied in good sense, which means that when angels took up the issue of the creation of Adam, they expressed their fears about what may happen on earth if he is made a deputy of God. Rasulullah Sallam says, according to this verse, I was not present at that time when this takhasum took place. Only I know that a warning was delivered in that episode, that when the resurgent of God is born, the vice, how do you pronounce it?
Viceregent.
Huh?
Viceregent.
Anyway, whenever the Khalifatullah is born, there will be bloodshed on earth. But this bloodshed was not to be caused by Khalifatullah and his followers. This bloodshed was to be caused by his opponents and satanic forces. So Rasulullah Sallam is told in this verse to present to the people the reality of that bloodshed. I am a warner against it, not a cause of that bloodshed. This is the final message of this verse. Isn't it?
Yes. In yuha ilayya illa annama ana nazirun mubin.
Nazirun mubin. So instead of blaming it on me, the people of the world should understand that I am warning against it, not promoting its occurrence. Is that what you wanted to understand? Thank you.